How to comment photo in TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Click on comments. You cannot comment photo in TikTok easily. So if you want to reply, click on reply and you'll find video button on left side. Click on it. From here, you can reply through photo by adding through your gallery or simply clicking video and then press on next. After you press on next, click on post and your comment will be posted as video even if it's photo. And this is how to comment photo in TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time. First, open TikTok. Click on comments. You cannot comment photo in TikTok easily. So if you want to reply, click on reply and you'll find video button on left side. Click on it. From here, you can reply through photo by adding through your gallery or simply clicking video and then press on next. After you press on next, click on post and your comment will be posted as video even if it's photo. And this is how to comment photo in TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.